All right, so our next brief is on the Delta IV SSBN. And I thought we'd take a look at this 1980s film restored and captured by netfilm.ru over a Delta IV ballistic missile submarine going underway, taking this film crew with them from Russia and doing a test. So there you can see the long sail, very long sail of the Delta IV. They have a lot of antennas in that. The Fairwater planes there can pivot up. That's the captain. Captain Ski. There's his first mate. Banging on a light, trying to get the light to work. No, I think that was a signal light. That's what he was doing there. All right, this is the control room. Very good pictures of the control room here. You can clearly see all the dials, gauges. They have a television camera that looks topside. That television camera works underwater as well. It can look up and see ice thickness or how thick the ice is above them before they surface through it. This is the missile compartment looking down towards all the missiles. This is compartment 4 looking at compartment 5. Computer. This will be part of the omnibus fire control system. We'll talk about that in the sub brief coming up. Torpedo tubes. These are all automated. They completely open and load themselves just like that. Make the weapon ready for launch, all without any human interaction other than the order to do it. It's very cool. There's the navigation/radio room right there. That's the sonar. That's the SCAT sonar system. NATO name is Shark Teeth. All right, that's the radar station. Let's see, navigation, ship's control. That's the TV that looks topside. TV camera with display. That's the trim and drain system, the main ballast system, ship's control system. Lenin. All right, what do we have here? Couple displays. That could be radar. I'm not sure what those are. Some ship's control here. All right, so that looks like that could be a throttle control. Yeah, that could be the helm station. Yes, that's how they drive the submarine right there. See the little the gauges that had full, back full, ahead 1/3. This is the reactor. Very cool. Throttle station back in the engine room. So they can take manual control of the throttle right there. This looks like the diesel engine, maybe. Not sure. Oh, this is part of the, that's the shaft. That's the turbine generator going to the main engines. Yeah. Okay, again, the control room, back up forward in command module 3. There you can see the outline of the trim and drain or a electrical bus system. It's not clear what it is right there. All right, I believe this is ballast control. This is what That's what it looks like to me. All right, so here we have the wardroom. It's where the officers eat. They have a television, a fan. That's nice. A communication box to call outside of the wardroom. Oh, it's a stateroom right there. This could be the captain's stateroom. It's very nice. Look at that. It's got a curtain. Oh, man. A stereo right there, record player. This is the sauna. That's right. The Delta IVs had the sauna, just like the Typhoons had. Here's crew's mess. Picnic bench type seating. Here's the galley. This galley could be in someone's dasha, man. This could be in someone's home. Look how much room they have. They actually have cabinets like you have in your house. Here's the showers. There is absolutely no privacy in the showers. Not surprised. The guy's washing up. So Russian sailors underway get one uniform that is disposable. They throw it away every week, every 7 days. And presumably they take the shower once a week as well. Maybe more often than that, but at least once a week. All right, here is the Delta IV under construction in the shipyard being assembled. Okay, those are little motors, could be anything. Who knows what they're controlling? Little electrical motors. That is the D9RMU Missile complex. Look at that. Look how big those missile tubes are. Holy smokes. Great shots of them putting them together there. Very cool. Laying down on their sides. Yep. That's where the shafts come out. There we go. And they got 7-bladed screws. This guy is getting underway with 7-bladed screws. Awesome. The Delta IVs had 5s and 7s. Earlier in their career, they had 5s. Later on, they had 7s. Some kind of ceremonial writing, probably launch day coming up. All right, here's the Delta IV at sea again. All right, pivoting the dive planes down. Those are the fair water planes, is what we call those in the United States Navy. Looks like she's trying to get submerged. It takes a long time to submerge one of these things. Raising some communication antennas. That's a periscope behind that. That could be a search periscope with an attack periscope behind it too. That's probably what that was. All right, this looks like a radar guy, radio guy. Captain, look how big the bridge is. That's huge. Oh my God. They don't have that much room on a 688. Holy crap. You could fit 5-6 people there. Uh-oh. All right, everyone's running out of the exo stateroom. Take the door. All right, going through the watertight door. Look how they lead head first. Yeah. There you go. It's a well-trained crew right there. All right, look at him. He's happy. He's mixing the hot beats on his DJ synthesizer. Hell yeah. Look at him go. All right, looks like they're lowering all masts and antennas. Might want to grab that flag, comrade, before you foul the mechanism. All right, the captain's coming down. This is outside the submarine. That's between the bridge and the pressure hull is that area there. It's so big. This is such a big boat. It's crazy. See, these guys are big fans of Lennon. I wonder if that was after the Beatles broke up. Yeah, it was. All right, there he goes. He's pushing the dive. He's going down. There he goes. All right, there's the navigator. He's navigating. Yeah. Marking the position on the chart. They always have a human checking what the computers are doing. That's good. He's got a stopwatch, a course. Yep. And look at that, completely submerged now. All right, so underway on nuclear power. What are they doing? Oh, they're going to they're going to launch depth. Oh, this is the missile prep. They're prepping a missile right here. Nice. Look at that. Those are the numbers of the tubes on the left. Yep. Going to open the hatch. He just armed the tube right there. Oh, beautiful. All right, he's trying to adjust the color gain. His display's not on. Look at the rotary dials at the top. And he's hunting and pecking. I like how they have the sailor that can't type running the missile control board. And the captain's like, get somebody in there that can type. That's what he's saying. This knucklehead doesn't know what he's doing. What is that? I'm not sure what gauge that was measuring. Maybe they're pressurizing the tube. It could be pressurizing. Yep. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Don't do that. What? Oh, there it goes. Thump. Look at that. One SSN-24 skiff ballistic missile away to Kamchatka Peninsula for a testing, comrade. Oh, a second one. It's a twofer. Very nice. And he's back up on the surface again. Now, they can launch those surfaced and submerged, but that was a submerged test that you just watched. Very cool. Very cool. All right. So, yeah, the Delta IV subbrief is going to be out in about 2 weeks. So, Look forward to getting that out to you guys. And I'll see you all then. Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been a Delta IV file footage from the Soviet Union. See you guys then. Bye.